This is a quick little video to show you how to do some simple DIY cowboy Christmas ornaments. I used clear glass ornaments and painted them and then decoupaged 3-ply paper napkins onto the ornaments. I trimmed around the designs, leaving just a little color around the edges, and decoupaged these onto the ornaments. I think I did more work than I needed to. I should have just started with white ornaments and I wouldn't have had to paint all of these. I used 2 coats of chalk paint. This is Rust-Oleum linen white chalk paint. You can get it most anywhere, your local hardware store, or you can get it on Amazon and a few other places. Once I had finished painting these and they had dried, I used Mod Podge to decoupage the napkin pieces onto the glass ornaments. To help these blend into the white background a little better, I used a light yellow chalk paint and just dabbed it around the edges of the napkin where I had trimmed it, and that helped these kind of fade and blend into the background color a little bit better. After that dried, I put another coat of Mod Podge over the whole ornament just to seal it. You could also use a top coat to do that, but I thought the Mod Podge worked just fine. I covered the silver metal pieces at the top with pieces of the hemmed edge of drop cloths. I saved those to use as trim, and that's what I used on this one. And here are pictures of the finished ornaments hanging in my space in Bandera, Texas, the cowboy capital of the world. I rent space there in Western Trails Antique Mall. So please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.